Downloading data from Snapchat allows you to access your account information, including memories, snaps, and chat history. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Request Data. Scroll down to the Privacy section and select My Data. You will be directed to a web page where you can request your data. Log in again if prompted. Step 4. Submit your request. On the My Data page, you will see a list of the information available for download. Check the boxes for the data you want to download, then click on the Submit Request button. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email from Snapchat with a link to download your data. Follow the link and save the data to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have access to your Snapchat data. Make sure to keep it secure and review it as needed.